কি ছেলে কি মেয়ে, ফিজিয়ানদের কানে একটা জবা বা কাঠগোলাপ থাকবেই। আমরা ফিজির প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলের গ্রামে যাব, ছিঙাটোকা নদী দিয়ে। এই নদী এদের সবচেয়ে বড় নদী, তবে আমাদের বুড়িগঙ্গার চেয়েও ছোট। এটি লম্বায় 120 মাইল। নদী দিয়ে যাওয়ার প্রস্তুতি। নদী বর্ষায় অত্যন্ত খরস্রোতা হয়। এই নদীর পাড় দিয়ে গড়ে উঠেছে অনেক জনপদ। এই নদীর পাড়েই গ্রামের বধূরা এসে মাছ ধরে, কাপড় ধোয় কিংবা গোসল করে। আসুন আমরা নদীতে যাই। আজ বাদলের দিন, তবে নদীর পাড় আমাদের দেশের মতো। সেই চিরচেনা দুপারে বসতি, তবে নদীর পাড়ে না, ভিতরে। নদী যখন উত্তাল হয়, নদীর পাড় তখন কোথাও কোথাও ছয়লাভ। এই নদীর পাড় দিয়ে পাহাড়েই কত যুদ্ধ, কত মৃত্যু, কত ঘটনা, কত অঘটন ঘটেছে। ইউরোপিয়ানরা ঘটিয়েছে, ভিন দেশিরা ঘটিয়েছে। তারা নিজেরাও কম ঘটনা ঘটায়নি তাদের এই যে মানুষ খেকো স্বভাবের জন্য। এখন তারা বিনীত, দেখা হলেই বুলা, অর্থাৎ ওয়েলকাম, আর সাথে সাথে ভিনাকা, অর্থাৎ ধন্যবাদ। নদীর পাড়ে নামতেই দেখা হলো লুসানা আর তার মেয়ে উলা আর খালা মারির সাথে। এখানে কোনো শিয়াল নেই, তাই নদীর পাড়ে ছাগলগুলো নিশ্চিন্তে ঘুমাচ্ছে। কুকুরকে শিয়াল তাড়াতে হচ্ছে না, তাই ঘুম আর ঘুম। আমাদের বুনো বেগুন, আমাদের গামারি গাছ, আমাদের সেই চেনা বাঁশ গাছ সবই এখানে আছে। তবে নতুন অনেক অনেক গাছও আছে, যাকে আমরা কখনো দেখিনি। নদীর পাড়ে, নদীর বাইরে, ওই দূরের পাহাড়ে। অবশেষে আমাদের অপেক্ষায় বসে থাকা দূর দূরান্ত থেকে আসা গ্রামবাসীদের সাথে দেখা হলো। তারা বসে আছে আমাদেরকে বুলা বলার জন্য, আমাদেরকে ভিনাকা বলার জন্য। হ্যালো, ওয়েলকাম। আমরা এই গ্রামেরই একজনের কাছে গ্রাম প্রধানের অর্থাৎ চিপের রীতিনীতি, নিয়মকানুন এবং প্রথাগুলো জেনে নেব। তবে আসুন তার আগে আমরা শিশুদের বোলা গ্রহণ করি।
People live in this village. Firstly, my name is Easy. Just you can understand my name is Easy. Yeah. It's 23 houses, one chief and one clan. That's our chief's house on top there. At this village, our social income in the village, we are farming. We farming every day. Monday to Saturday, Sunday it's our special day, so we just go to church. In the village, we have the village rule. Allowed to wear a shorts. The company prepared this to cover your shorts. And secondly, do not drink alcohol in the village. The drink in the village, it's allowed only kava. We just drink kava. Anything we do in the village, we just drink kava. We welcome alcohol and other drinks we don't accept in the village. If we drink alcohol far away from the village. Because when we drink, like, for example, near the river, we will drink there, shout there, we do anything, we shout, laughing. When we finish, come back quietly in the village. If we break the rules, the village chief, they will be give you the punishment. The punishment, you can dig the rubbish hole in a whole week. You can dig. When you wake up in the morning, you just go and dig. Or you can cutting grass in the whole week. When the sun is hot, you can walk. That's a punishment will be give you if you break the rules. And the secondly, a village, the ladies from this village, they can marry in same village. They will go and marry to another village. Because this village is one clan. So one clan is one big family. The ladies from this village, they will gonna move to another clan. And the men in this village, they want to get married, they find a ladies to every different clan to come and get married in this village. You see the ladies sitting in the community hall there? All the ladies there, they come from in our different clan. They come and get married in this village. In our olden days, they use an orange. An orange are the village, the whole village, the men in this village, they will make a line in this, like they will make a line, and the 5 ladies, they come from in a different clan, they will stand in the other side. And the men, they will take the orange. When, for example, like that 5 ladies, only one, it's a pretty one, and the rest, it's so ugly. so when the men, and they take the orange, I think the men, they will aim the pretty one. When they take the orange and kiss the orange, the village chief, the village members, they will be sit from the other side. And the men, they will take the orange and roll it. I think the men, when they roll it, they will aim the pretty one. When the orange goes to the orange, goes to the ugly one. The ugly one, they will be your wife. Because the orange now. When they love marriage, when they get married, we will go into the men's village. The men's village, they will be host. They will host the drink, the food. The drink is on the cover. And we will host. The ladies' family, they will just go and eat. After the wedding, we just eat, drink cover, and come back. If the ladies, they will be stay there. If they want to visit their village, anytime they can come. It's still open. After 100 nights. When they come back in the village, when they try to get married again, they can marry again. Because they come back in their village. If they stay there, they have the kids. Husband die, they will be stay there till forever. I think when the husband gets old, they can marry again. Like when it's anger, young ladies, if they married again, husband get that, they can marry again. If they have no kids, some ladies, they have kids, they can marry again. They will stay with their kids. If they have no kids, they can marry again. But they have kids, they can marry again. Any question?
Allowed to have relationships outside of marriage.
Yeah, outside of marriage, like other religion,
Yeah.
they can.
No, what I'm saying,
without getting married.
extramarital
Or
relationship.
without marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without marriage, the punishment they will give the village chief. They will be like without married for only the ladies or the boys.
But
Both.
If they can, like for example,
For fun.
if the one couple get married, they will get like one boy take one ladies, they can marry.
what happens after, say, first marriage, then widowed, then they make relations with other men?
Or with other men like the ladies.
Yeah.
So like when the ladies, when they get married, and the men it stays, they will try to go to another boy. Like
Yeah.
some of the village, they will give the punishment to the ladies. The ladies, they will take back to their village. If they they will be sit in our house, and we talk to the ladies. Don't do it again. That thing you do it. If you do it second time, you will be taken to your village.
bad if the men do it.
এখন ফেরার পালা, ফিরতে হবে, তারপর দেশে মুখের টাকুর